Mechanic here. Today we're working on GMC Yukon Denali, and the customer is complaining about the rear hatch only goes up about halfway and then it automatically closes by itself. So here, I'll show you guys what it's doing. Hit the button, goes up, and then it closes right back down. And basically I'm show you guys what I found on this here, and I'll also leave a link in the video description below where you can get the parts to fix it. But yeah, just opens and then closes immediately. And basically what's going on is typically on these, if they're not automatic, they'll just have these hood struts right here. And what those do is those actually take a lot of the weight off of this rear hatch. So when you have the automatic hatch here, what's happening is these struts get weak and they're not assisting in lifting it enough. So that motor is getting overstressed, and once it senses the motor being overstressed, it kicks it back down and the hatch will start to close again. So we're gonna go ahead and put new hatch struts in this GMC Denali. Same goes for Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburbans. They all got the same thing. And these just pop out. They got a little steel clip, right? You just pop that little clip out right there with a screwdriver. I just popped out with a screwdriver, and then these struts pop right off. I can pop a new set on. Real easy repair. And but yeah, that's about it for this video. Like I said, I'll leave a link below where you can buy these hood struts. And if this video was helpful, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to the Flat Rate Mechanic. Thanks for watching.